In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front bumper inserts on this Ram 1500. Let's get into it. Using a 10mm socket, there's 4 screws we're going to take out, 2 on this side, 2 on the other side. Take those out. Now we're going to slide this up slightly, and you go up, and then you can slide it towards the center, and it slides right out. We're going to transfer the J-clips over. Just use a screwdriver, just get underneath here. I'll just pop these off. On the new one, just slide it in place just like that. Spin it around, do the same on this side. And now we can install the panel. And just slide this in. You're just going to have to angle it up a little bit. And get it to the other side. Just have it a little bit higher. And then it slides down in place. Get the screws started. And tighten these down. Just snug, not too tight.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.